In this video, I'll show you how to set password on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, click on this, right? Click on the settings. So if for any reasons you want to set password on your Windows computer, watch what I'm going to do right now. Click on the account, right? From the account option, you're going to scroll down. You're going to see the sign in options, right? Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be displayed with a whole lot of options you can use to sign in to your Windows, right? This facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, PIN, security key, password, picture password. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to click on the password, right? You click on the add to add your password. You can create a password, right, to be able to log in to your Windows computer through this procedure. So you'd enter the new password you love to use on your Windows. You'd confirm the password, then you'd set a password hint, right, in case you forget the password. So you can use this to remember your password. So I think this is how you can basically set password on your Windows, right? If you found it today helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.